Okay guys, JJ2 here. In this video guys, we are going to discuss about the third part of the verb ending in D. As we have already watched in our previous videos about how to form those verbs or the sound of those verbs, of those regular verbs. So now we are going to watch this video that has to say with the last part of those verbs with the D sound. So remember, those verbs are very, very popular verbs, or the sound of those verbs are important for you to make them, because if you don't make the correct sound of those verbs, then people won't be able to understand you, and then you will have a hard time also to communicate with people too, because every time that you will be using those verbs, and people will be asking you what. This is what we don't want to happen. So make sure you dedicate time to watch this video. Make sure you learn a whole lot from this video, because if you really learn from the first part and the second part, then the third part will be the easiest part for you. So after you watch this video, make sure you subscribe, you activate the bell, and you comment and share the video, so that other people can get to know us. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next. So that was JJ2. Bye bye.
Verbs ending in L. Filled, filled. Healed, healed. Pulled, pulled. Smiled, smiled. Healed, healed. Sealed, sealed. Verbs ending in ZE. Amazed, amazed. Realized, realized. Characterized, characterized. Neutralized, neutralized. Naturalized, naturalized. Seized, seized. Verbs ending in N or NE. Gleaned, gleaned. Happened, happened. Listened, listened. Opened, opened. Returned, returned. Signed, signed. Verbs ending in M or ME. Slammed, slammed. Trimmed, trimmed. Damed, damed. Doomed, doomed. Seemed, seemed. Zoomed, zoomed. Verbs ending in S or SE. Closed, closed. Disposed, disposed. Proposed, proposed. used, used, fused, fused, confused, confused,